We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed look at the Fidget Pen by Venibe, a product that has caught the attention of gadget enthusiasts, gift seekers, and anyone looking for a unique blend of functionality and fun. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Fidget Pen by Venibe is presented as a cool and unique gift idea, targeting men, teens, and adults alike, and comes in an exquisite gift box. This presentation immediately sets it apart as a thoughtful choice for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, or any special occasion where a memorable present is desired. The packaging is designed to elevate the unboxing experience, making the recipient feel valued and appreciated. The pen itself is not just a writing instrument. It is a multifunctional gadget that serves as a high-quality gel pen, a stylus for digital devices, and a modular fidget toy. The magnetic construction allows users to disassemble and reassemble the pen into various shapes, such as playful puppies, robots, chairs, or even hearts. This variable shape feature is limited only by the user's imagination and the number of magnetic pieces included, making it a source of endless entertainment and creative expression. In terms of material quality, the Fidget Pen boasts a color plating process that enhances both its visual appeal and durability. The metallic finish gives it a premium look and feel, which is immediately noticeable upon handling. The pen feels substantial in the hand, with a weight of 6.4 ounces, and the dimensions are compact enough to fit comfortably in a pocket or pencil case. However, some users have noted that the color gradient paint is not as durable as they would like. There have been reports of the finish scratching easily, particularly around the pocket clip area, which may detract from its long-term aesthetic appeal. This is an important consideration for those who value pristine presentation and expect their gadgets to maintain their appearance over time. Performance-wise, the Fidget Pen excels as a writing tool. The gel ink flows smoothly, providing a pleasant writing experience that is suitable for both quick notes and extended writing sessions. The stylus function is responsive and works well with most digital devices, adding to the pen's versatility. The magnetic components are strong enough to hold shapes securely, yet not so powerful that they make disassembly difficult. This balance ensures that users can fidget and create without frustration or excessive force. One of the standout features of the Fidget Pen is its ability to boost mood and productivity. In moments of fatigue or monotony, users can engage with the pen as a fidget toy, assembling and disassembling it to relieve stress, spark creativity, or simply pass the time. This makes it a valuable companion for students, office workers, or anyone who finds themselves needing a mental break during the day. The tactile feedback and satisfying click of the magnets provide sensory stimulation that many find calming and enjoyable. The product has received a customer rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars, based on multiple reviews. Positive feedback highlights the pen's magnetic strength, versatility, and entertainment value. Users appreciate that the magnets are powerful enough to create stable shapes without being overly difficult to separate. The ability to transform the pen into different forms adds a layer of fun that traditional pens simply cannot match. It is frequently mentioned as an excellent stocking stuffer or small gift that appeals to a wide range of ages. On the other hand, some users have expressed disappointment with the durability of the paint finish, as previously mentioned. While the pen performs well in its primary functions, the susceptibility to scratches may be a drawback for those who prioritize aesthetics. Additionally, the pen's modular design means that it consists of multiple small pieces, which could pose a challenge for younger children or anyone prone to misplacing parts. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall impression of the Fidget Pen is overwhelmingly positive. It stands out as a novelty gadget that successfully combines utility with playfulness. The thoughtful store services provided by Venibe, including prompt assistance and guidance, further enhance the customer experience, ensuring that any issues or questions are addressed efficiently. The Fidget Pen is ranked #2 581 in fidget spinners and holds a place in the top 800,000 in toys and games, reflecting its popularity among those seeking unique and engaging desk accessories. Its appeal is broad, making it suitable for students, professionals, and anyone who enjoys tactile stimulation or creative play. In summary, the Fidget Pen by Venibe is a well-designed, multifunctional gadget that delivers on its promises of quality, versatility, and entertainment. It makes an excellent gift for a variety of occasions thanks to its premium packaging and unique features. The writing and stylus functions are reliable, and the magnetic construction adds a layer of interactivity that sets it apart from conventional pens. While the durability of the paint finish could be improved, this does not significantly detract from the overall value and enjoyment provided by the product. If you are looking for a gift that is both practical and fun, the Fidget pen is a strong contender. Its ability to engage, entertain, and assist with focus makes it a worthwhile addition to any desk or workspace. Remember to check the link in the description to support the channel and consider leaving your own review if you have experience with this product. Your feedback can help others make informed decisions and contribute to the growing community of gadget enthusiasts.